Good morning, home buyers. Welcome sa another series of Bahay Build Serye. I'm Anton, Regional Manager of Jamaica Realty and Marketing Corporation. Ngayon, i-feature natin ang mga bahay na ginagawa dito sa Mercedes Heights Subdivision project ng Jamaica Realty dito sa Alaminos City, Pangasinan. Tara, puntahan natin ang unang cluster ng townhouse na ginawa dito sa Mercedes Heights Subdivision, the Terra 72. Upon entering the property, this corner unit, ang maganda dito, it has a one-car garage. Then, since corner unit nga siya, it has a 170 square meter floor area kung saan we have ample space. Ito pwedeng gawing landscape garden, pwedeng gawing extension, pwedeng maging place mo if you have another parking requirement, so pwede rin dito sa area na. Okay? So dito naman, sa bahay, tara. By the way, this unit is a 87% complete na siya. Kaya almost finishing na tayo and gagawin natin siya last unit. So may magagawin din yung mga upgrades dito sa bahay nito. Okay? Upon entering of this unit, ito natin, open plan. Okay? So this section will be the living area, the dining area, and then the kitchen area. Kung gusto mo magiging perspective ito, ito yun. This section naman, this would be the common bathroom. Okay. Features nito is 1.5 meters to it. So mas malawag siya compared sa mga typical bathroom. And nakaba naman siya sa 2.5 meters. And by the way, makapansin natin, we have the floor to ceiling tiles, which is good sa unit na to. And this will be your shower section, toilet section, and lavatory section. And has a windows sa natural lighting dito sa loob ng tiles. Okay, dito naman tayo. This section will be the storage area. Okay, very important ito sa bahay na may mga maraming gamit, may mga tools, may mga pets. Maganda tong section na to na may utilize natin. It could also use as pantry. No? May mga groceries ka, pwede mo lagyan ng mga shelves dito and everything. So, very wise na ginawa ito ng ating developer. Okay, moving on. So dito naman sa section na to, this one is important din sa mga bahay. If you want, tinatawag yan na back area. On this section, we still have around more or less 3 meters. Okay? Pwede may convert ito into dirty kitchen, laundry area. So ito yung purpose nitong area. So pwede kong lagyan ng cover, then put your mga daily cookings dito, then laundry area as well.